Doodlers, today we have a quick update that we'd like to share with you guys. Please ensure that you're on version 2.3.6 in order to see this new feature. As always, you can update via the members area, or once you open the application, it should prompt you to update. So for this update, we have a new reveal mode. So we have our character Adam on the canvas here. So if we preview Adam, we'll see the draw path. However, now we are providing another reveal mode. So we'll go ahead and click on Adam. We'll go to the pencil icon to edit Adam. Here on the bottom right-hand side, you'll see a drop down for the reveal mode. So we have the draw option, and now we have a fade option. So let's go ahead and select the fade option. Let's save and return, and let's go ahead and preview. We'll see that Adam's color now fades in. Now let's take a look at Adam stretching so we can see the difference. So remember, we have the draw and the fade mode. So Adam with his hands up is currently in fade mode, and Adam stretching is currently in draw mode. So let's see the difference with those two. We'll see Adam's color fade in, and then for stretching, it'll draw in. So now, remember, in order to see this option, you'll want to click on your asset, go to the pencil icon, and there you'll see the reveal mode drop-down menu. So you'll have fade, and you'll have the draw option. And again, let's preview that. And you'll see the color is drawn in, and then the colors faded in. If there are any questions regarding this, please reach out to support@doodly.com. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.